If you still think Baby Dodge is just another hype-driven meme coin waiting for a viral tweet, you haven't been paying attention to what started as a light-hearted tribute to Dogecoin. Dogecoin that quietly transformed into a fully realized multi-chain Web3 ecosystem. It's no longer just about the cute aesthetics, it's about the massive decentralized utility. Under the hood, the tech has received a massive upgrade. There's a decentralized exchange, maybe that swap, integrated advanced modular engineering that introduces concentrated liquidity and dynamic fee structures. What does that mean for you? It means highly efficient trading, lower gas fees, and institutional grade on-chain limit orders that rival biggest players in the EFI. And finally, there's the heart of the project. Real world philanthropy, with over $1.5 million donated to global animal shelter and a viral Geniuses World Record for charity work. Baby Dodge proves you can build cutting edge Web3 tech while making a tangible positive impact. It's a movement, it's an ecosystem, it's a rewriting rules of what community coin can achieve.